Hello, bonjour, salam. My name is Feridun. I'm an artist. I just do portrait, landscape, collage, everything. I do everything. Sculpture. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how I draw my portrait. My reference for this drawing is portraits. This photo has been taken 2011, Italy, Mulvina, voilà. Ça c'est la photo, le portrait. Using one Sharpie, one Micron. These Microns are good, I like them a lot. Let's begin to draw. On va commencer. The basic structure has been drawn with a blue pen. Blue pen will give me more flexibility if I want to change something later on the detail. When I'm using the black pen, I can do that. If I make a mistake here and something is not exactly the way I want it, with black pen I can fix that problem. Now is the time to use the black pen. It's basically I'm just going over what I have done with the blue pen with doing some adjustments. I noticed that the eye is a little bit too close to the other eye, the left eye, so I just brought it out a little bit, and also the ears be a little bit out. So I fixed those, I did those adjustments, the little adjustments, and as you see, it's very, very useful if you start with, it doesn't have to be blue, you can go green or pink or whatever color, or even gray. Gray is a good color to start the first layer, and then go with a black pen on top of it. This is a very good practice because I see many of my students that are getting used to using eraser a lot. And in this practice, approach, you won't be able to use eraser for sure, and also you see the mistakes that you made before is actually going to help you to draw better, and it's going to be a very good indication of what is not working 100% and you gotta change it. So if when you're erasing completely, then you might draw the same, do the same mistake and draw on the same spot that you erased it before. Cross etching the shirt, lots of fun, and we are close to finish this one. I'm going to work on the coat a little bit, just finishing up the hat, and here's the coat. I don't want to do lots of detail on the coat for now, just an indication of here, there, just like suggestion of the coat kind of. Okay, this is pretty much done. I hope that you enjoyed this video and find it useful. À la prochaine fois.